So here we are going to learn how to draw a parrot, sitting parrot, step by step. So you might feel that, oh, this how to draw a parrot looks so difficult, but no, it's quite simple if you follow these steps. The first step is already done for you. Just trace over it. Use a 2B pencil or a 4B pencil or an HB pencil. So just trace this, okay? Slowly over it. Now the second step is to draw the neck portion. So then this is a neck portion, tail portion. Then the feet, and following the steps you have to come till the step number 15. So now we have gone through all the 15 steps and our parrot is ready, and all we need is to add some color. So we all know that the parrot is green in color and the beak is red in color. So always start with the lighter tone and remembering the light source. Do not forget the light source, whichever direction you prefer, but give the lighter tone first, okay? Once you have given the lighter area a light green, then you switch to a little darker green. Now again, remembering the light source, apply pressure on your pencil to bring out its intensity, the color intensity. Again, as I always say, practice only will make you perfect. Do not expect that at the first go you'll be able to do it as perfect as it's, the way it is shown, but I'm sure you're going to get it if you do it slowly and with lots of patience. Neck area, neck portion, the chest area, so in this way you have to complete the parrot. Color it the way it's shown and then add on a few details too. I'll show you how to give the details once you have finished coloring your parrot. The beak of course is red, but that too we will start with the lighter tone. The lighter tone first, and then we shall give the darker tone. Why? Because we want to highlight that area which is closer to the light source, so it looks more three-dimensional. Okay. The lower part of the beak would be a little darker, so I'll just give it a more definite shape and color. Okay. And then the eye. The eye is normally very small, the parrot's eye. Just have to define it a bit. Okay, and whichever direction, if you want him to look at you, draw the lens of the eye a little downwards, so then it looks as if he is looking at you. Okay, then how to define it? Take your black color pencil. Yes, we are using color pencils here, and then wherever you want to add a bit of definition of his feathers or soft fur, you can just kind of define it like this after you finish coloring. And as you see, he is sitting on a branch. Okay, so again the lighter tone first and then the darker tone. So we will take the light browns and the yellows and first give if the source of light is coming from the above direction, then this area will be little lighter. So we give the lighter tone first to the whole branch, and then we apply the darker tone towards the bottom of the branch to bring out its tonal values.